Imagine this. You take $500 a month and invest it from age 20 to age 70 in a decent growth stock mutual fund. You'll have $5.6 million. That's what a car payment costs you. So, who'd you make rich? People often blame their financial situation on their wages, but there are so many ways to make your money work for you, even with a low income. Welcome to Wealthway, and today, we're diving into Dave Ramsey's 15 tips for living on a small income. But first, who is Dave Ramsey? Dave Ramsey is a popular financial expert, and his advice is solid. He founded Ramsey Solutions to provide practical advice for resolving financial issues. He's well known for a simple baby step approach to financial stability, and his book, The Total Money Makeover, is a New York Times bestseller. Thousands of people with low incomes have become financially stable thanks to Dave Ramsey's guidance. Now, what exactly is low income? According to commonly accepted federal standards, low income is defined as $14,580 per year for an individual and $31,000 for a family of 4. Regardless of your age, Dave Ramsey has helped people with low incomes, even those as old as 71 who had little saved for retirement. So let's dive into the 15 tips. Tip number 1. Gas Buddy. Gas Buddy is an essential app that helps you find the cheapest gas prices in your neighborhood. With petrol being a significant expense, this app can be a game changer, showing you where to fill up for less. It might seem like pennies, but these savings add up over time. Tip number 2. Join a gas reward program. Dave Ramsey recommends joining gas reward programs, which can save you money on your gas expenses. For example, ExxonMobil offers a fantastic program where you can earn points for every gallon of fuel, eventually leading to discounts on your petrol purchases. Tip number 3. Save automatically. Saving money on a low income can be challenging, but it's crucial for your financial future. The simple solution is to set up automatic savings. Treat the funds in your savings account as off-limits, ensuring you don't touch them and only use the money in your checking account for the month. Tip number 4. Get rid of automatic subscriptions. Automated subscriptions can be both your best friend and your worst enemy. Many retailers offer subscriber-only discounts, but these can lead to unnecessary spending. Dave Ramsey's advice is to cancel all automated subscriptions, keeping only those you genuinely use to avoid impulse purchases. Tip number 5. Budget. Creating a budget is essential for gaining control over your finances. Dave Ramsey's 3-step approach involves tracking your spending, keeping a close eye on your income, and making sure you allocate your money wisely. With a well-structured budget, you'll find yourself feeling financially richer each day. Tip number 6. Reduce your deductible. Dave Ramsey suggests that you consider increasing your insurance deductible. While it may reduce your coverage in the event of an accident, it can significantly lower your insurance payments. By preparing for potential emergencies, you're setting yourself up for financial stability. Tip number 7. Compare insurance plans. To avoid high insurance costs, it's wise to shop around and compare different insurance plans in your area. Tailoring your coverage to your lifestyle and financial situation is crucial. After all, it's your money and your life, and you should have the best coverage for your needs. Tip number 8. Shop at cheaper grocery shops. Don't limit yourself to a single supermarket. Dave Ramsey suggests exploring cheaper grocery stores like Aldi, known for providing high-quality items at more affordable prices. By shopping strategically, you can make a significant impact on your monthly food expenses. Tip number 9. Take care of your 4 walls. One of Dave Ramsey's fundamental principles for achieving financial stability is encapsulated in the mantra, "Take care of your 4 walls." The 4 walls represent the core essentials of life: food, shelter, utilities, and transportation. By prioritizing these fundamental needs, you lay a solid foundation for financial success and can more effectively allocate your limited resources. Your ability to pay for groceries, keep a roof over your head, maintain necessary utilities like electricity and water, and have reliable transportation are non-negotiable aspects of life. These essentials ensure your physical well-being and provide stability. When you prioritize these core expenses, you create a sense of financial security that enables you to address other financial goals and challenges. By focusing on taking care of your four walls first, you ensure that you have the basics covered, reducing the risk of falling into further financial distress. By securing your basic needs, you free up mental and emotional bandwidth to address other financial aspects, such as paying off debt, saving for emergencies, and planning for a more secure financial future. It's a step towards financial peace that can set you up on the path to greater financial success and independence. So remember, in the journey to financial stability, always take care of your four walls first. Tip number 10. Meal plan. Meal planning is a crucial strategy for controlling your food expenses. Dave Ramsey emphasizes that you can't limit your spending on food if you don't know how much you spend and what you consume. Cooking at home is not only cost-effective, but also healthier in the long run. Tip number 11. Replace your air filter. Replacing your air filter regularly is a small maintenance task that can significantly extend the lifespan of your furnace. Spending a little money, around $20 to $50 annually, on air filters can save you from the much higher costs of furnace repairs or replacements down the line. Tip number 12. Buy generic brands. Dave Ramsey advises buying generic brands whenever possible. These products are often manufactured in the same factories as name brand items, providing you with the same quality at a lower price. By avoiding the allure of brand names, you can save a substantial amount of money. Tip number 13. Sell old stuff. Unwanted items sitting around your home can be turned into cash. Online marketplaces like Craigslist and Facebook have made it easy to sell items you no longer need. Not only does this put money in your pocket, but it can also free up space in your home. Tip number 14. Don't buy new clothes. When it comes to clothing, Dave Ramsey emphasizes that you don't always need brand new, high-priced items. Focusing on the usability of the clothing you purchase can save you a lot of money. Second-hand or off-brand clothing can be just as effective and cost much less. Tip number 15. Plan a staycation. Even with a limited budget, you can enjoy a vacation. Dave Ramsey suggests looking for exciting local opportunities rather than splurging on expensive destination getaways. By avoiding the additional costs of travel, you can have a memorable and budget-friendly staycation. As you can see, there are many simple and effective ways to improve your financial situation, even on a small income. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to financial stability. Dave Ramsey's advice can help you make the most of your money, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for ways to save. Thanks for watching.